invite Ms. Aruna Chandrala to speak.
Namaste, and I pay my respects to the elders past, present and emerging. And I am here to represent the Honorable Sophie Cotsis, Minister for Work Health Safety and Minister for Industrial Relations. And I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Satha Anandan. I think it's, especially after COVID, we have noticed the prices went up in supermarkets everywhere. You know, any shopping you go, its prices are quite high. So I think this is the right time he released this book. And to save money is very important, especially to bring young families in this part of the world. It is very important. And I am going to read this book and then give review on my Facebook page. And I'm sure our MP Sophie will be interested in reading this book as well, and she will also put up comment on her Facebook page. Recently, like whenever I go to supermarket, we find even all our Asian section. When we first moved to Australia 40 years ago, even if I see a person in sari or like a pancha, you know, like a dhoti in man, or even brown-skinned person, I used to be so excited. But nowadays, our community has grown so big, and the place I live in, Stratfield, in my street itself, we have like 7-8 families of Sri Lankans, Dr. Manmohan and another cardiologist. They all live in my street, and Dr. Krishnan. So now, you know, like living in Australia, especially Sydney, we don't miss anything from back home. We get everything here. We get all vegetables, fruits, clothing, jewelry. They have opened Nalli Sari shop, and then they have opened Malabar jewelry shop in Harris Park. So we have so many supermarkets, and every supermarket has an aisle of Asian section now. So we get even dur dal and all sorts of things, and then I find cheaper to buy in supermarket, all these Indian groceries. I don't know how spice shops will survive, because even dosa batter they are selling in Stratfield supermarket, Woolworths, and we get even yogurt. Everything we can buy from supermarket itself. And as he rightly said so, like, you know, timing of going to supermarket is very important. Especially, like if you go to Aldi, every Wednesday morning they release new products. Because where my daughter lives in Gladesville, Aldi is there. And my daughter always says, Mom, you know, we have to go on Wednesday morning because all the new products come there. So likewise, I think people will be aware of which shop will be bringing which thing and which sales. People like me just go and buy item. I don't even check the price, and I don't even check the, like, you know, how they have served us at the counter. But I don't know if Satha has mentioned that, but that is also important. My husband always says you have to check at the counter what they have put, because sometimes they may be putting the wrong price. But if you take it back, especially to the big supermarkets, if they read the wrong price, then they have to give item free. So these kind of things also useful to know. And another thing how he said is, you know, just to take a basket or take a supermarket trolley makes a difference as well. If you take a basket and then you only pick up few things and come back, but if you have a big trolley, you think, oh, it looks very empty. But when you come to the counter, you'll be paying a lot more. And you know, these kind of things. And then taking children to the supermarket, because usually aisles only they keep all the goodies, that children will just ask, oh, Mom, you know, I want this. They won't even let the parents think. Or the toys, Even the small toy will be $5 or each lolly will be $2. And that's where the counter plays when we are waiting in the queue. That is also another trap for the customers. Another time I feel is when I am hungry, when I go to supermarket or even the shopping center, every shop is calling me to come and eat, come and eat. So then I've learned to go to shopping, like once I had my lunch or dinner in the evening. And again, in the evenings every day they they fill up all the shelves. So first thing in the morning, if one goes to supermarket, that is also good time to, because everything is nicely presented and every item is there, so it's nice to easily pick up and not many people in the supermarket. I mean, when I read the book, my review will be different, but this is just my experience of supermarkets. And I think this time when the economic conditions are so hard for everyone, I think it's a great time that he brought this book, How to Save Money and how to be intelligent shopper. And I think that is very good. I have 3 grandchildren. I'm sure I'll be handing them over as presents. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. And again, I'm Aruna Chandrala, representing the Honorable Sophie Cotsis, member for Canterbury. And she's a Minister for Industrial Relations and Minister for Work Health Safety. Thank you very much.